Today, we're entering the world of tools that make ordinary work look extraordinary. From powerful machines to clever gadgets, these 20 tools are seriously next level. They're faster, smarter, and more impressive than you expect, making tough jobs easier and work more exciting. The Bosch DrillDriver packs serious power into tight spaces, thanks to an 18% shorter head length and 30% higher soft torque, reaching 18 Newton-meters. And because nobody likes surprise battery deaths, its built-in battery indicator keeps you updated on runtime, so you know exactly when it's time to recharge. Crack and Bond Self-Leveling. Crack Filler fixes horizontal concrete cracks and joints without needing a caulk gun. Its flexible, durable, UV-resistant formula self-levels into a smooth, paintable finish, making repairs easy on driveways, garages, sidewalks, pool decks, and industrial floors. Basically, cracks don't stand a chance anymore, anywhere, seriously. The Jonard 9-inch magnetic torpedo level brings serious accuracy with a durable aluminum frame, 3 high-visibility vials, and a magnetic strip for hands-free alignment. Its V-groove, tapered ends, and tether holes make conduit, pipe, electrical, and construction work easier, because keeping things perfectly straight shouldn't feel like rocket science. The 20-volt 2-in-1 blower and vacuum delivers serious power with 3 variable speeds, reaching 18,000 revolutions per minute, and airflow up to 94 meters per second. Its folding handle, soft start, switchable blower/vacuum modes, and dust bag add convenience, making cleanup easier, because leaves shouldn't win every battle in your yard. The Champion 20-ton log splitter packs a powerful 212 cubic centimeter engine, an 11-second cycle, and 24-inch log capacity. Its low-profile design, skewed wedge, auto-return valve, and towable chassis make firewood processing fast and convenient, because wrestling giant logs by hand is definitely not anyone's idea of a fun workout. The all-way Hightower telescopic bucket system lifts paint buckets from 3.2 to 9.5 feet using a sturdy adjustable tripod. Its quick-release attachment, tool tray, magnetic brush holder, and disposable liners make painting safer and cleanup easier, because carrying buckets up ladders is one workout nobody asked for. The Blue Spruce sliding bevel gauge makes angle transfer super precise with adjustable drag and secure locking. Available in 4-inch and 7-inch sizes, it features stainless steel blades and pairs with the bevel block for common miter and dovetail angles, because guessing angles is basically woodworking roulette, and nobody wants that. The total 20-volt cordless impact drill and driver kit combines a brushless impact drill and driver with up to 66 Newton-meters and 285 Newton-meters of torque. It includes 2 batteries, charger, 47 accessories, and a carrying case for versatile drilling, fastening, automotive, and home projects. The XB300 cable roller is a compact, lightweight universal winder for cable reels up to 300 kilograms. Its removable multifunction mandrel handles various drum sizes and loose cable bundles, while rubberized feet provide stable, slip-resistant operation on finished floors. The drawer tool chest features durable Q235 cold-rolled steel construction, 6 ball-bearing drawers, central locking, LED lighting, power socket, and a perforated back panel. 5-inch casters provide smooth, stable mobility, while reinforced construction supports organized workshop storage. The Clindex Grouting Disc is designed for smooth, even grouting of jointed floors. Compatible with Unica, Chroma, Futura, Rocky, Levigator, Timba, and Bella machines, it delivers efficient, consistent floor finishing and helps achieve professional results across various flooring applications. MIMAL hammers feature durable, ergonomic construction with solid vulcanized rubber heads available in medium and hard grades. Ideal for paving, curbs, gardens, landscaping, and block setting, with ductile iron housing options for enhanced durability and reliable performance. The Bosch right-angle impact wrench delivers up to 330 Nm of fastening torque and 560 Nm of breakaway torque. Its compact design, brushless motor, 3-speed settings, auto shut-off, LED light, and ergonomic switch provide excellent control in tight spaces. QEP GPTP solutions make handling, transporting, and cutting large tile panels safer and easier. The range includes a rail cutting system, folding work table, carrying system, and transport cart, delivering precise, efficient installation. Basically, giant tiles just got their own professional pit crew. No wrestling, awkward lifting, or chaos required. The total 255mm heavy-duty scissors feature titanium-plated stainless steel blades with a serrated edge for controlled cutting. Their spring-loaded design and ergonomic rubber grip provide comfort and precision when cutting fabric, cardboard, plastic, rope, wire mesh, and other tough materials. The 350-watt belt and disc sander delivers powerful sanding for woodworking and polishing. Adjustable belt and disc tables tilt from 0 degrees to 90 degrees and 60 degrees, while rubber feet boost stability and the dust port keeps things cleaner, because sanding already makes enough mess without turning your workshop into a dust storm. The Excel utility seat with Toolbox combines a comfy padded seat, 3 ball-bearing drawers, can holders, and 4 swivel casters. Its heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 150 kilograms, making mobile storage perfect for garages, workshops, and repairs, because sitting, storing tools, and moving around just became one genius package. The open-frame inverter delivers 5,500 starting and 4,000 running watts, with quiet operation and clean power for sensitive electronics. QShield, easy starting, multiple outlets, and up to 13 hours of runtime make it perfect for camping, RVs, and emergencies, because losing power shouldn't ruin the adventure. The UPP 400 panel suction cup lifts panels up to 400 kilograms horizontally, using dual independent vacuum circuits for extra safety. With 360 degrees rotation, adjustable suction cups, battery operation, measuring devices, and extension arms, it handles large panels precisely and securely, because moving massive panels shouldn't feel like wrestling. The jigsaw features 4-step orbital action for fast cutting, tool-free blade changes, and an efficient blow function for clear visibility. Its durable aluminum baseplate supports 45-degree bevel cuts, while the ergonomic soft grip handle provides comfortable control during extended use. From clever designs to unbelievable performance, these tools prove there's always a smarter, faster way to get the job done. Some are seriously impressive, while others are downright crazy. So, which one caught your attention, and which tool would you love to try first?